World Cars takes you to the crash test of the Chery Tiggo 9 SUV, a big model from China. This test took place at Auto Shanghai 2025 and was specially demonstrated for the media. The test included a frontal crash and a simulated rollover. Let's start with the frontal crash with another vehicle. The cabin structure stayed strong, with no significant deformation in critical areas. The airbags deployed at the perfect moment. Next, the rollover simulation. The body structure withstood the pressure well, and the side curtain airbags activated right away. This shows the vehicle's safety readiness, both in its structure and driver assistance systems. The Chery Tiggo 9 uses the T2X platform, measuring nearly 5 meters in length. Inside, it can seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 261 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission from Aisin. The safety features are top-notch with 10 airbags, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. All this proves that the Chery Tiggo 9 is ready for the large SUV market, with impressive performance and strong safety. World Cars will follow up with real-world test results from the standardization authorities and share updates as soon as they're available.